Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video. I hope all of you are doing well today. In this video I'm going to show you a quick update on Tapswap. Tapswap has opened a YouTube channel, and so they have some tasks that you can do to earn few coins on Tapswap. So I'm going to show you how to earn those coins. So I'm logged in right here on my Tapswap dashboard. What I'm going to do, I'm going to head over to these tasks. So now you can see this place they wrote cinema, and this stuff they wrote watch the first video. I'm going to click on it. So I've already watched the first video. They said find the code and paste it here. So I'm going to paste the code. This is the code for today, 739002, and I'm going to click on submit. As you can see, done. And then I'm going to click on finish. So I can claim my 200,000 coins. So it's as simple as that. You can also claim other coins by performing other tasks here on Tapswap. Stay updated and hit the subscribe button for more info and updates.